Question number 41. NH3 acts as a Lewis base while BF3 acts as a Lewis acid. A Lewis base accepts protons while a Lewis acid donates protons. Regarding the first statement, Lewis bases are species that give out electrons to another species, and Lewis acids take in electrons from another species as they are electron deficient. Therefore, this statement is true. Statement 2. Acceptance and donation of protons are the basis of Lowry-Bronsted acids and bases. Therefore, this statement is false. The answer is 3. Question number 42. The two NO bond lengths in NO2Cl are equal. Two acceptable stable resonance structures can be drawn for NO2Cl. As you can see in the resonance structures given here and the resonance hybrid, the two NO bond lengths are in fact equal. Therefore, the first statement is true. There are two stable resonance structures present, and this forms the resonance hybrid. Therefore, this explains why the bond length is equal. As statement 2 explains statement 1, the answer is 1. Question number 43. The boiling point of butanoic acid is higher than the boiling point of 1-butanol. No hydrogen bonds are present in 1-butanol. Regarding the first statement, boiling point depends on intermolecular attractive forces. The stronger the forces, the higher the boiling point. Butanoic acid has 2 hydrogen bonds as shown here, whereas 1-butanol has only 1 hydrogen bond. Therefore, the intermolecular attractive forces is stronger in butanoic acid, therefore has a higher boiling point. Regarding statement 2, we have just seen that 1-butanol does have a hydrogen bond. Therefore, statement 2 is false. The answer is 3. Question number 44. Enthalpy of mixing of an ideal solution is 0. Attraction forces amongst different types of molecule and attraction forces amongst the same types of molecules are equal in an ideal solution. Regarding statement 1, this is true as there won't be any volume change or heat exchange for mixing of an ideal solution. Regarding statement 2, if we take two solutions, one A and the other B, within solution A there will be AA attractions, and within B there will be BB attractions. When these two solutions are mixed, now there will be an additional AB attraction. For a solution to be ideal, AA should be equal to BB, which should be equal to AB. Therefore, volume contraction or heat exchange does not happen as all attraction forces are equal. This is what statement 2 says, and it explains statement 1. Therefore, the answer is 1. Question number 45. All 3 carbon atoms in propanol lie on one straight line. As you can see in the structure here, all 3 carbon atoms lie in the same plane but are not in the same straight line. Therefore, the first statement is false. All 3 carbon atoms in propanol are sp hybridized. They are actually sp2 hybridized due to 3 repulsion units. Therefore, the second statement is false as well. The answer is 5. Question number 46. Contribution to photochemical smog cannot be reduced by attaching catalytic converters to the tailpipes of vehicles. Photochemical smog is formed by volatile hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides produced by vehicles and industries which react in the atmosphere in the presence of sunlight UV rays to form photochemical oxidants like ozones, aldehydes, peroxyacetyl nitrate, peroxybenzoyl nitrate, etc. Catalytic converters transform harmful exhaust of CO, NOx and hydrocarbons to relatively harmless N2, CO2 and water. Therefore, this statement is false. Statement number 2. In a catalytic converter, carbon monoxide and partially combusted hydrocarbons are oxidized to carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides are reduced to nitrogen. This is how catalytic converters help reduce photochemical smog, therefore true. As the first statement is false and the second statement is true, the answer is 4. If the first statement had said that catalytic converters can reduce contribution of photochemical smog by vehicles, then the answer would be 1, as the second statement would explain the first statement. Question number 47. The order of the reaction given here can be determined by monitoring the volume change of the system with time when a sample of N2O5 gas is heated. This statement is false as temperature is not constant. The volume change cannot be used as volume changes with temperature. The second statement, the order of a chemical reaction with respect to a reactant does not depend on the concentration of the reactant. This is true. Order depends on the mechanism of the reaction and not the concentration. Therefore, the answer is 4. Question number 48. Hydrogen sulfide found in petroleum deposits is used in the large-scale manufacture of sulfur. The main method of manufacturing sulfur is to recover it from mines via the Hermann-Frasch method. Hydrogen sulfide is a byproduct of processing natural gas and refining high-sulfur crude oils. As hydrogen sulfide emissions are strictly controlled by environmental regulations, this hydrogen sulfide is converted to elemental sulfur. This converted elemental sulfur is not enough to be profitable. Therefore, this statement is false. The second statement, large underground deposits are the principal sources of elemental sulfur. This is true. This sulfur exists in the molten form and is extracted by the Hermann-Frasch method. The answer is 4. But they have given it as all as this question was out of the syllabus. Question number 49. If a yellow precipitate forms when lead nitrate solution is added to an aqueous solution, the only possible conclusion is that iodide ions are present. This statement is false as lead chromate and lead bromate form yellow precipitates as well. Statement 2. The only water-insoluble yellowish compound that lead forms is lead iodide. As we said before, lead chromate and lead bromate are yellow and insoluble in water. Therefore, the answer is 5. Question number 50. Hydrochlorofluorocarbons are used as an alternative for chlorofluorocarbons to protect the ozone layer. Because they contain hydrogen, HCFCs break down more easily in the atmosphere and thereby do not reach the ozone layer as much as CFCs. Therefore, this statement is true. Statement 2. Hydrochlorofluorocarbons are not harmful to the ozone layer. Similar to CFC, if HCFCs reached the ozone layer, they would be harmful there. Therefore, this statement is false. The answer is 3.
Hey guys, if you liked our videos, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you.